You knew Emperor of India, Shah Jahan, that life, youth, wealth, renown, your only dream was to preserve forever your heart's pain. The harsh thunder of imperial power would fade into sleep like a sunset's crimson splendor. But it was your hope that at least a single eternally heaved sigh would say to grieve the sky. Though emeralds, rubies, pearls are all, but as the glitter of a rainbow tricking out empty air and must pass away. Yet, still one solitary tear would hang on the cheek of time in the form of this white and gleaming Taj Mahal.